Hello, today we are going to be learning about the Big 6 research. The objectives for this lesson is the students will gain an understanding of the Big 6 research method, and the students will have an understanding on how to apply the Big 6 research method to their selected research topic. Some of the standards that we are going to be covering is the Texas State Standard 4.23, which is students ask open-ended research questions and develop a plan for answering them. The Common Core Standard is CCSS.ELA Literacy W 4.7, and that is conduct short research projects that build knowledge through investigation of different aspects of a topic. The ISTE Standard 3 Knowledge Constructor, which states students critically curate a variety of resources using digital tools to construct knowledge, produce creative artifacts, and make meaningful learning experiences for themselves and others. And the 2018 AASL standards for curate, which is make meaning for oneself and others by collecting, organizing, and sharing resources of personal relevance. So basically what we're going to be focusing our learning on today is how to research and how to create an effective product that shows our learning. The first thing we're going to do is take a pre-assessment. And this is going to give you a chance to show us what you know. Now don't stress, it's not a grade, and there's only 5 questions. This is more going to let us know where you stand and let you know where you stand.